Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you have a AMD based computer, then there are some updates for the chipset, for the drivers, for the CPU, and so on. Now, this update does fix a few things, does also add capabilities for some of the latest games. But, drivers are drivers. So if your computer works fine, has no issues, often, I'll tell you to just skip and just doesn't matter if everything is okay. Some people, are like, oh, I want the latest drivers all the time. I used to be like that, not anymore, because I've been bitten a few times with the latest driver wasn't the best. It had bugs and so on. So I usually tell people, look, if you don't have anything special, if you don't care, just leave it alone. And if you have issues, though, and if you have bugs, then maybe it's a good idea. So if you want to know, first of all, if you have an AMD machine, if you need to have that information, maybe you shouldn't update the drivers anyways, but you can right-click on your Start button, go to the Task Manager, and if you see that in your CPU, in performance, the CPU is an AMD, then that means that possibly it's going to be compatible. It goes, the drivers that are in that package go to older generations also. So that could be something to check out. So the web page for that is here. This is the AMD web page with the latest chipset updates that are issued. And you can, of course, download those chipsets depending on the computer you have. You go down here, the AMD Ryzen chipset drivers for Windows 10 and 11, 64 bits are here. And if you have 32-bit machine, there's a there's doesn't seem to have any possibility for that. I would guess all, the Ryzen's are all 64-bit PC CPUs, so they don't have drivers for 32-bit. So basically, it's 64-bit, and it's Windows 10 and Windows 11 for the AMD drivers, the latest that are available. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.